Right. Chemistry Unit 3. Fuels, energy, reactions. It's all starting to swirl in my head a bit. But let's try and break it down, make some sense of it. First up, fuels. What is a fuel? Well, it's a substance that can release chemical energy. Through a reaction, either chemical or even nuclear. We've got quanti renewable fuels, like e-biogas or NEO, which can be made at a faster rate than we use them. Then there are the mi-ponsi non-renewable fossil fuels, CONS, coal, crude oil, and natural gas, CONS. Natural gas is mainly methane, with a bit of ethane and propane, found deep in the earth. It can be in coal deposits, coal seam gas, CONS, in petroleum, or trapped between rock layers. We get it out using a fracking. And then there's PAHKE, LP, which is propane and butane, separated from natural gas by fractional distillation and turned into a liquid under pressure for things like car fuel. Now, biofuels are the renewable ones made from plant stuff. They're often called carbon neutral because the CO2 they release when burnt is supposed to be the same as what the plants took in during photosynthesis, though in reality, there's still CO2 from farming and transport. Bioethanol can replace crude oil and is made by fermenting sugars or starches with yeast. Biogas comes from the breakdown of organic waste by anaerobic bacteria, making methane and CO2, and can be used for heating. It's handy on farms because you can use farm waste. Biodiesel is a mix of esters made by reacting vegetable oil or animal fat with an alcohol, usually methanol, in and trans esterification. But it can attract water, which isn't good for engines, and it's more viscous than petrodiesel amas with a much higher cloud point.